Hey guys!
Hey guys, hello, Virtudesk is here.
This is Virtudesk.
BD fam, you know how I love you so much.
More years with Virtudesk. Virtudesk is a blessing to my life.
This is gonna be like a long career that I'm gonna have in
Pavel Stepanov, CEO of Virtudesk. Despite all the challenges that we face, we are going to overcome them. Believe with us.
Virtudesk is here in New York City for Legal Week. We are at Legal Week in New York City. Here at the Mid-America Trucking Show.
Virtudesk is back again at EXP shareholders.
Virtudesk is the best. Hey guys, welcome everybody to Leverage Summit 2.0.
To our team, thank you for making it possible.
Your dedication and support brought us here.
Together, we're shaping success.
Thank you for helping us reach the new heights, and thank you for sticking with us. Let's grow together more and upward.